Hello lovelies, it's Ada's recipes here. How you guys doing today? So today I share how to make cassava swallow, aka abu, aka fufu. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to come up with this easily. Okay, we have the pounding method, which is the popular method, but today I'm going to show you another method of making that yummy cassava. Okay, now this cassava was harvested, peeled and washed, then it was fermented for about 3 days. So after fermenting for 3 days, it was sieved to get rid of the roughages and it was set aside to drain water. Okay, so this is what you have. Okay, once it has drained water, okay, this is how it will look like, right, as you guys can see here. So it's time for us to prepare this. We are going to take the quantity we are going to prepare. So here in the basin, okay, is the quantity we are going to prepare. We're going to add water, okay, to help it loosen up and to get rid of lumps. Just look at the consistency we are going to achieve, and that is a consistency that will be good, you know, to make that yummy fufu. So with this, we are good to go. Add some vegetable oil, okay, in the pan, and some water, as you guys can see. Then we are going to transfer this into the pan like so. We are going to be making this in batches. We are going to be stirring. So this is the stirring method. The popular one is the pounding method. So we keep stirring and stirring. So as you guys can see, our fufu is almost getting ready. So make sure you add water. If it's too hard, you add water, but not too much water. If you want your fufu to stay like up to 1 to 2 weeks, you don't need to add too much water, okay? And we are preparing this with firewood, as you guys can see. So the vegetable oil we added helped to loosen the pot, okay? As you guys can see, our fufu is ready. You guys are seeing this. So it's time to transfer into our cooler. So it's easy to prepare. You just follow the procedure, and once it's done, the color changes. It's not going to be as white as when it was raw, okay? So guys, this is our fufu. Oh my goodness, this was so nice. As you guys can see, it was fluffy and nice. So to make fufu at home is easy and simple, okay? And as you guys can see, this is it well wrapped. You can enjoy this with any soup you love, okay? I love fufu so much. So this is just the easiest way of coming up with fufu. Thank you so much and bye.